How do birds fly? Simple, you will say birds fly using their wings. True, but having wings is not enough. There are many other things that help birds to fly. Birds have very light body. Their bones are very strong but hollow. Their feathers have special shapes. The feathers are arranged in a special way in the wings. The wings have powerful muscles. Birds can move their wings easily in the different ways. They flap, they flutter, they soar high into the air. They glide in the sky. They can turn this way or that way as they fly. They can see things from far away. They can land easily and safely. Birds can ride the wind or air currents and travel long distances. Can you think of other things that fly? Find out how they fly.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.